Back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make amazing face mask that will help to remove dark spots, acne, pimple, and also for premature aging. So stay tuned. This facial mask, I'll be making use of dried bay leaf. Bay leaf contain anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which will help to eliminate germs, bacteria, and fungi that causes build-up on the skin, which will help our skin to look so smooth, acne-free, free from premature aging. So I'm going to add the bay leaf into the blender and blend into a powder. When I'm done blending, I'm going to remove the blended bay leaf and put into a bowl. In the bowl, I have 1 tablespoon of blended bay leaf. So I'm going to add rose water. Rose water will help to balance our skin natural oil. It will help to hydrate our skin, and also be adding 1 teaspoon of rose water. Rose water has antioxidant property that will help to nourish and protect the skin. It will also help to prevent premature aging. Then I will mix to combine. For this face mask, I'll be making use of Greek yogurt. Feel free to use plain yogurt. I'll be making use of 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which will help to dissolve dead skin cells. Yogurt will help to moisturize the skin, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, fight acne, and also soothe sunburn. So when I'm done adding the yogurt, I will stir to mix properly. You can apply this face mask on a clean washed face, neck, hand, and leave it to sit for about 20 minutes. Then you can rinse out. This face mask will help to clear out any build-up on your skin and reduces pimple, acne, black spots, and it will make your skin to glow and smooth. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.